Tell me where I get this feeling that you really wanna turn me on. Tell me where I get this feeling that you really wanna make me yours. Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gon' be the one to stay on. I admit it's exciting, parts of me gonna like it, but before I lead you home, tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? What's your motive? So tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? What's your motive? I get that bullshit out from the mile away. You won't leave me, keep coming back for me. I'd have to go through if you just ain't so straight. Say what you need, cause you might get it. Cause I see you trying, subliminally trying to see if I'm gon' be the one to stay around. I admit it's exciting, parts of me gonna like it, but before I lead you on, tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? What's your motive? So tell me what's your motive? What's your motive? What's your motive?
You treat me like gold, baby. Now you wanna spoil me. Did you want a trophy or you wanna spoil me, baby? Cause you wanna respect, cause you fucking some more, baby. Well, I had to bring the fists out, had to put a wall up, but don't trust phones, baby. Yeah, you gotta tell me what you know, cause you got your candy on your arm.